This wedding may have been prepared in just 2 months, but our love has been built over years of faith, commitment, and grace.
When I look at you now, I don't see the same man I married 10 years ago. I see someone even better.
Me, 17 years ago, our story began.
And I couldn't be happier to be here with our children, our family, and God. You have grown into a man who is more patient and understanding. You always choose to be the bigger person, forgive without hesitation, and love without conditions.
Through every joys and every challenges, we have grown together, building a love that is strong, patient, and enduring.
Guys, na ako'y gift. This for Ian, Gab, and from my best man, Miggy.
Congratulations, Dale.
Thank you, Fun. Family. Welcome.
But what amazes me the most is that even when I'm difficult, stubborn, emotional, or just plain hard to deal with, you still choose me. You forgive me, never give up on me and our family. You remind me every day what love looks like. I love you, Banger!
That is why I said, love is a commitment. Love at Father God, love is a commitment. Hindi tayo pwedeng love pero hindi. Love. Hindi yun na magtugay na klase na kami yung may sumon. Kung diyan sa kanya yun, puro lang bukma. Ano man? Because love is connected in feeling. Ang kining bukma ba, nakakunik ka ni kanunay sa pati. Naay mo sa kimanutingon na nagkanuyon, na nag-ingon. If love is just a feeling, there's no such thing as lasting. Kung ang iyong bukma, pagbati lamang, kanang agasing na bukma, dili na magtugay. Why? It's because feeling is changeable.
Today is a celebration of everything that we built together and everything still to come. Di, happy 10th anniversary to us.
10 years ago, we made a promise to each other, and today, in front of God and our loved ones, I stand here to renew that promise with all of my heart.
Pangandoy lang nato ni sa una.
With God at center of our marriage, I know our love will continue to grow, and our family will always be my greatest blessing. I love you now and always.
After 10 years of love, laughter, challenges, and countless little moments that we have made our life beautiful, we are finally receiving God's blessing.
Tungod kay, committed ka sa yata, dili ko hindi mo siya pasag na lumiyak. Tungod kay, alam ka mo, ang bugma, commitment. Muna ang
We
kalahingan.
are finally here. I can't stop smiling because this moment, this day is so special. That's it, and for me.
Sa kami yung puro lang bugma. Kinahanglan kung ka mapagpugin.
I love you now and always.